What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working issue on your owner smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off hotspot 2 to 3 times. And after doing this, the hotspot will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after doing this, then check your internet connection. So to check your internet, open a browser. Now here search for something and check if your internet is working correctly or not. So if your internet connection is not working, then fix your internet connection. But if your internet is working properly and you are still facing the issue in using hotspot, then move to the next solution. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is software update. So check for software update on your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then in system and updates click on software update, and from here check if your phone is updated to the latest version or not. So if your phone is not updated to the latest version, then update your mobile phone, and after updating your mobile software, the hotspot will start working properly. So that's how you can fix the hotspot not working issue on our smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.